Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making an Italian love cake. Super easy. Starts off with a box cake mix. I'm making it according to the package directions. Eggs, oil, and water. Then I'm getting an electric mixer and I'm going to mix it until it's creamy. I have a 9 by 13 baking dish. I sprayed it with a non-stick baking spray. This is the one that has flour in it. I'm going to add my cake batter to my dish, and then I'm going to just set it to the side. In a separate bowl, I have ricotta cheese, 1 cup of regular white granulated sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and eggs. Now I'm going to mix this together with an electric mixer until it's completely creamy. Now I'm going to add it to the top of my cake mixture, and then I'm going to bake it in a 350-degree oven for 90 minutes. And after 90 minutes, this is what you see. You remember the white was on top? Well, it sinks to the bottom. Then the cake mixture goes up. It's very interesting. So this you have to let cool off completely. Once it's cooled off, you start on the last layer. This is a separate bowl, and I'm adding instant pudding. Then I'm going to add some milk. I'm going to whisk this together by hand, and it comes together really nice and thick. Then I'm adding Cool Whip. This is whipped cream topping, and I'm going to mix that in with my pudding. You need 2 containers of the whipped cream topping. Mix it all together, and then I'm going to add it to the top of my cake. My cake is completely cooled off at this point. So it is said that it's best to let this set for about 6 hours, even better, overnight. I let it set for 2 hours and it came out fine. It's a beautiful cake and it has lots of layers. And check it out. You have the white, then the dark brown, and then the whipped cream topping. It's a beautiful cake, and it's really, really tasty. So this is Italian love cake. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.